Welcome to the viVOS software for creative learning. First of all, install the software which is on the viVOS drive onto your Windows-based computer. Unfortunately, viVOS does not work with Apple computers. Once you've installed it, double-click on the viVOS icon and up comes this workspace. It's a space that enables you to add audio and video onto your artwork. What we're going to do in this tutorial is to show you how the instruction leaflet that you have inside the viVOS box was made. And the first thing we do is to give it its publication number. So at the top of the page 2 of the instruction leaflet, you'll find the publication number for the leaflet 998 that I put in first of all. Then I add in an image, and this image is a low-res image of the instruction leaflet. So I click on here and up it comes. You can see that's all positioned exactly to space. So when I define sound spots, I know that it's exactly where it should be. I can make a sound spot as big as I want or as small as I want. I can move it around and expand it. Let's make a sound spot like that. As soon as I define a sound spot, it allows me to add a file. So I click on here and I go to Projects and to my viVOS, Audio, and it's B. I've already made these recordings beforehand, but just to check,
click on New Image in the control bar above and your file will be imported as an exact fit into your viVOS software workspace. Then using the mouse,
so that's what I'm going to listen to when I tap on that particular hotspot number 1. So I've defined where the path is, I add it, and there you can see that it's been allocated. Next I'll go and create a next sound spot and another one, and I go over here, I do the same thing, go to A, listen to this,
don't forget to enter your publication number into viVOS.
It's over there, add, go to C. Remember, you should always make your sound recordings before you start this. Just simplifies the process. Add, and it's recorded. Once you've finished putting in all your sound spots, then save the project by clicking here. Up comes the path that you should enter, and your product is saved under video instructions. This means that anytime in the future, if I want to add even another sound spot as I learn more about the project I'm doing, I can keep building on what I've already created. Okay, now you've finished your project for today, you've saved it, now you want to play it back on your viVOS. The next thing to do is go to the Complete button. Click on Complete, and now you'll see that the TP1 file is being created. TP1 file, remember, is the file that contains all your audio recordings. Make sure that the viVOS is connected to your computer, and then it acts just like a drive, and you can name your project and save it onto the viVOS. It's always recommended to save it also on your hard disk as a backup if you need to, but the main point is you can always recreate it by opening the project again. Right, what we haven't talked about is how do I play the videos. So I choose a sound spot that I want to play a video on. Let's say number 7. I can add an audio file, let's say this one, add a video file by clicking on here and going to your computer, and shall we say I go to my video section and I can take all sorts of videos, sample videos over here, shall we say, and Wildlife Army, and add that there. Don't forget to label the hotspot by calling it Wildlife, and there you can see it's all labeled up, and I can press save, saved it on the same computer, and I can press complete. Now when I press complete, I get two things happening. I have the TP1 file created as well as a TP2 file. So I can go over here to my viVOS project, go over here to my viVOS and just say videos, and I'll call this wildlife, and I save it. Remember, two things have happened. As soon as I press complete, a TP1 file is created which has all the audio, and a TP2 file is created which has all the video. And when I want to watch the video on the viVOS, I open the project, launch this video player, and up comes this image. I choose the file I want, and I go to wildlife TP2. Remember, projects, viVOS videos, wildlife TP2. That's the one I want to play. I select that and connect my dongle to the computer, and whenever I touch that spot number 7 called wildlife, up comes the video like this.